I've been shopping Bottega Veneta. Okay, y'all, it's another luxury haul for the girls. We are unboxing some of the goodies that I got while I've been traveling. Basically, mostly just New York. I went to New York Fashion Week. It was a while ago. I wasn't able to film any of the content. You guys have probably already seen this bag, but I wanted to do an in-depth analysis of the Bottega Veneta Andiamo Clutch that I bought in the gorgeous color green. We're going to talk about the quality, how it feels, what it fits, and if it is worth it, also how to style it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford, wife, mom, content creator, based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. That sounds like something you'd be interested in. Please think about hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our growing community. If you're one of my regular lovies, girl, grab that man's card. Let's get to work. So while I was in New York, I picked up a couple of little things. This is not a long vlog. It's literally just 3 things that I picked up while I was in New York. I will have a much more in-depth luxury haul coming up soon. But I did pick up a perfume, a pair of sunglasses, and my Andiamo clutch, which was on my luxury wish list for 2024. And now she's off the wish list, and we can add somebody else on there. Who we're going to add, we don't know. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with the sunglasses that I bought. These are a pair of Versace sunglasses. I'm trying to figure out actually when I bought this. I'm not sure if I bought it in New York, but either way, we love a good pair of sunglasses. They are brown, yummy, yummy, yummy. They're definitely summer sunglasses, so I will set them aside for the summer, but they are gorgeous in this beautiful gold metal with this beautiful honey brown on the lens. I just thought it was so beautiful. It has nose guards, so it sits on my nose really well, especially for my people of color that have wider nose. Nose guards are going to be your best friend. Or if you go for an Eastern cut in your sunglasses, it's going to sit really well and not sit on top of your cheeks. But they were so gorgeous. These are a little bit on the heavier side, and they do sit on my cheeks, but I don't mind it. I have big cheeks, and that's just, you know, part of life. But I absolutely fell in love with these sunglasses. Look how gorgeous you are. You have the Versace on the side. I love like the little detail, the bar in the middle, as well as the bar on top. It is this beautiful, let me see, there you go. This beautiful honey brown. It is dirty because y'all, I have been wearing it, and my kids have been down here putting their grubby little Cheez-It fingers on my stuff. But, you know, mom life. But I absolutely thought these were so beautiful for the summer. I think I actually got these while I was in Vegas. I did, at the Sunglass Hut. And Vegas is summer all year round, so they were perfect for the Vegas weather. But I just think they are just beautiful sunglasses. Pretty much every day you can wear them. Every single day. They're not fussy, they're metal, they're a little bit heavy, and they're just fun. I love a pair of fun sunglasses, and these are them. Now, I will say they are very, very dark. So, you know, keep that in mind when you're like outside. It's a lot lighter than what you think it is. It's actually daytime. It just looks like it's nighttime because you have these sunglasses on, and these sunglasses are made of black sheetrock. But I absolutely love it. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see some of the detail. Look at that gorgeous Versace detail. Again, you do have the nose guards right there. It is very, very dark, as you can see. I mean, look, it's going to block the sun and everything else out of your eyes. It is dirty, but it does have like this honey gold sheen to the frames. They are aviator style, which pretty much looks good on almost every face shape. But again, if you have bigger cheeks, they do tend to sit right here on your cheeks. But that's great. Usually I wear these without makeup when I'm running errands because they are pretty much like everyday sort of sunglasses. The next item that I got is perfume. This is Juliette Has a Gun Lust for Sun. So Juliette Has a Gun has a bunch of other fragrances. This is the Lust for Sun. I know it's a summer scent, but that's okay. Worry about your mama's fragrances, not mine. It is unisex, cruelty-free, and it's a fresh scent. The fragrance family is fresh. Scent type is fresh solar. Keynotes are Lang Lang, coconut water, and vanilla. When I tell you the coconut is probably what stands out to me the most when I smell this scent. Also, the bottle is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. It looks like a tropical drink on a beach with your man, and he's paying for everything, and you don't have to worry about anything because you didn't even bring your credit card with you because he's there. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. It's the coconut and I think the Lang Lang that I'm smelling that's really, really making me feel like I want to be on a beach right now and not down in my basement filming for YouTube. She's absolutely gorgeous. She would pair well with other coconut scents. So if you're on vacation and you brought this with you and you want to add a little bit more of that coconut scent to it or bring out some of that Lang Lang, think about fragrances that are coconut based. Think about lotions that have coconut in it, and it will really bring out that tropical feel in this scent. She's gorgeous. Like, she's a gorgeous scent. Sophisticated, but also very fresh and light. I don't know how to explain it, but I would pair her with another coconut forward scent. Ooh, you know what this would really go well with is my replica beach walk, which is also coconut based. So this with beach walk would smell absolutely divine. Now for the piece de resistance. Bottega Veneta. I know we do a lot of Amazon Bottega dupes, but this is not the dupe. I was actually in New York, and as soon as I bought it, I'm one of those girls. If I buy it, I'm going to take it and I'm going to wear it out the store. So I bought it. I had an event and I wore it to that event that night. And somebody's like, oh my God, I have that same purse. Did you get it from this place? I said, I got it from Bottega Veneta. I'm so sorry. No, I'm just kidding. I was like, no, this is actually from Bottega, but I said I do have a really good Amazon lookalike of this bag, so don't worry. A sister will buy it and also buy it in another color from Amazon. Say less. This is her in this gorgeous green color. Let's talk about some of her specs. This is the Andiamo Clutch. She retails for $29.50, about $3,000 with taxes. The color I got is the color emerald green. It is giving you that east-west feel that we talked about at the beginning of this year. That's what's going to be trending. A lot of bags have been coming out with that east-west variation. This one is leather. So let's look at the specs of the leather. They also have it in suede, which I think is absolutely beautiful. It is interciato leather, top handle clutch with metallic knot closure. There's a 6-card slot and 1 additional pocket. It's lambskin and calfskin. The lining is calfskin. Outside is lambskin. So keep that in mind. I say lambskin, and we talked about how temperamental lambskin can be. The hardware is a brass finish, and it is made in Italia, in Italy. Let's bring it close and let's talk about her. This is her. You know, Bottega is known for that interciato leather. As you can tell, she has a little bit of a sheen to her. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that. She has a little bit of a sheen to her, which I love, but she's not metallic. She's not patent leather. It's just like a little bit of sheen that will wear off over time with lambskin leather. The bag opens, you pull it out, and it's actually attached by a string that's on the inside of the bag. When you are storing this bag, I will tell you, store it with this out. Because as you can tell with lambskin, it's going to leave a little bruise on the leather over time. So I have had it out the whole time, so it doesn't over time just wear down. So it opens, it just is one wide open space. Have the little wallet on the side, the 6 cards, a little sleeve on the back, and then just this wide open space in the front for you to put your goods. Now, you're going to be shocked about how much fits inside of this bag. Now, it's a bag that you cannot sit on the bottom, of course. It's literally just a top handle. It is not a crossbody. You cannot make it into a crossbody. And if you look on the inside, this is where the brass handle is secured by the leather strip. Of course, very, very quiet luxury with Bottega Veneta right there at the front. Comes to the wearability of this bag, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. This bag I have reached for already so many times since I've had it. I'm going to put a video to the side of me styling it with this H&M dress. Also a picture of me styling it with an all white outfit, white blazer, white jeans while I was in New York Fashion Week. I have reached for this bag now so many times. So I thought the color was going to be off-putting, and I actually wanted that burgundy color, but I'm so glad I got this green. It is wearable. When it comes to functionality, I'm going to give this bag another 9 out of 10. It will fit a full-size wallet. It will fit your phone. I'll show you everything it fits in just a minute. When it comes to looks, 10 out of 10 out of 10. Y'all, this bag looks gorgeous. When it comes to quality, of course, it's Bottega, great leather, great stitching, lots of handiwork that goes into it. So another 10 out of 10. This bag overall is a 10 out of 10. And that's very hard for me to give one single bag a 10 out of 10. But this one is functional, it's cute, great leather, will stand the test of time, and stunning. 10 out of 10 across board. When it comes to what will fit inside of this bag, and we're going to close her up, she has items inside of her. I will say try not to put so much inside of her because you will stretch it out over time and you don't want it getting too saggy and losing this gorgeous shape. The leather will stretch just like it will dent. When we open it up, she will fit a full-size iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can't wait to get the 16. She will fit like a little, what is this, Bobbi Brown skin tint. So she'll fit like a little makeup. She'll fit glasses or your sunglasses. I am part of the 4i community. And she will fit a full-size makeup brush, which means she'll fit a wallet, she'll fit your keys, and she will fit a card holder or even a small size wallet inside. So she is a functional bag, and that's not what I was expecting. I was expecting her, she's such a pretty girl. I just was expecting her to be an airhead and like only fit juice and crackers. But baby, she said, I'm here to work. I look good and I work. Call me Beyonce. So I absolutely love, love, love this bag. We're going to leave it without it closed. When it comes to styling it, I'm going to put some pictures of some influencers that I've seen that have styled this bag to perfection in the different colors that they have. When I styled it with a dress, like right here. I also styled it with jeans and a blazer. It is a bag that you can pick up and style with almost anything. You can dress it down with tennis shoes, t-shirt, and jeans and just have it as you walk around. Or you can dress it up with a dress, with shorts and heels, with skirt and heels, with a blazer and heels. It's just a functional bag that goes with a lot of different things. One thing I will say is for my girls that like crossbodies, this is a bag that's probably not going to be for you because it is a structured bag and it is simply only a top handle bag. So you're going to have to kind of adjust it. If you're like I'm easy going, I want it to go across my breast. It's not going to go across your breast, honey. You're going to have to hold her like this. Or, you know, like a clutch underneath your arm. So I like that you can wear it two different ways. It just would not go if you are a clutch type of girl. Now, there are some amazing lookalikes on Amazon, also on Walmart that I will link down below. If you're like, Fumi, I love this bag. I don't know if I want to buy it. Buy the Dupiana and see if you like it. Or you say, Fumi, yeah, there's no way I'm going to spend $3,000 on a bag. That's fine. Buy the Dupiana. You're going to get your cost per wear out of it. I have the Amazon Dupiana and I absolutely love it. It's in a different color. It's brown. And so I'm able to wear it with a lot more things. But it also fits exact same amount. It's also a top handle. It also closes the same way. I'll link the Amazon video up top if you want to watch that video. But you don't have to opt for this version. You can always go buy the lookalike until maybe you feel like you want to buy this one. Or if you never do, that's okay. I love a good Dupiana. So if you stayed to the end of this video and you enjoyed it, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Would love to have you as part of our growing community. If you're one of my regular lovies, girl, it was so good to see you. Swipe his card. If you're not following me on all my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all platforms. All right, y'all. Love you. Mean it. Bye.